In 1901, sponge divers made an incredible discovery off the coast of Antikythera, Greece. They found a shipwreck dating back to the 1st century BC. Among the artifacts was a strange bronze device. This device would become known as the Antikythera Mechanism. It would challenge our understanding of ancient technology. The Antikythera Mechanism is a complex assembly of gears and plates. It was heavily corroded and fragmented. Initially, its significance was not fully grasped. Over time, researchers began to realize its true nature. This was not just a simple tool, it was a sophisticated astronomical calculator. The mechanism consists of at least 30 bronze gears housed within a wooden frame. Inscriptions on the plates and gears provide clues to its function. They reveal a deep understanding of astronomy and mathematics. The Antikythera mechanism is far more advanced than any other known technology from that era. This artifact has captivated scientists and historians for over a century. Its existence raises profound questions about the capabilities of ancient civilizations. How could such an advanced device have been created over 2,000 years ago? The Antikythera mechanism is a testament to the ingenuity of the past. It continues to challenge our assumptions about history. The Antikythera mechanism was not a simple timekeeping device. It was a marvel of astronomical calculation. Its intricate gears and inscriptions revealed its true purpose. This device could predict eclipses and track planetary movements. It used a complex system of gears to calculate celestial positions. The Antikythera mechanism is a testament to ancient craftsmanship. The Antikythera mechanism is a testament to the advanced craftsmanship of the ancient Greeks. Its construction required a deep understanding of mathematics, astronomy, and metallurgy. The precision and skill involved in its creation are truly remarkable. The mechanism's gears were meticulously crafted from bronze. They were cut with incredible accuracy, with teeth as small as 1.6 millimeters. These gears were then assembled with precision, creating a complex system of interlocking parts. The inscriptions on the mechanism's plates were also meticulously engraved. They provided instructions on how to use the device and interpret its readings. The creation of the Antikythera mechanism would have required specialized tools and techniques. Ancient Greek metalworkers were renowned for their skill. They possessed a deep understanding of bronze casting and metalworking. The mechanism's construction is a testament to their advanced capabilities. The Antikythera mechanism is not only a masterpiece of engineering, but also a work of art. Its intricate design and elegant craftsmanship are a testament to the aesthetic sensibilities of the ancient Greeks. This device is a fusion of science, technology, and artistry. Section 4. Evidence and speculation. The Antikythera mechanism's existence has sparked a plethora of theories regarding its origins. While the evidence suggests it was crafted by ancient Greeks, its complexity has fueled speculation about lost civilizations or even extraterrestrial intervention. The lack of similar artifacts from the same era intensifies the mystery. Proponents of the ancient Greek origin point to the inscriptions on the mechanism. These inscriptions are in ancient Greek. They also highlight the use of astronomical cycles known to the Greeks. The device's discovery near Greece further supports this theory. However, the sheer sophistication of the Antikythera mechanism has led some to propose alternative explanations. Could a lost civilization, more advanced than we believe, have created it? This theory hinges on the lack of comparable artifacts from the same era. Adding to the intrigue, some even propose extraterrestrial intervention. Could the Antikythera mechanism be evidence of alien technology gifted to or recovered by ancient people? This theory, while intriguing, lacks concrete evidence. While the origins of the Antikythera mechanism remain a topic of debate, its impact on our understanding of history is undeniable. It serves as a reminder that our knowledge of the past is incomplete. Section 5. Unraveling the Enigma. The Antikythera mechanism, a marvel of ancient engineering, continues to captivate researchers today. Its intricate workings offer a glimpse into the technological prowess of ancient civilizations. Advanced imaging techniques reveal hidden inscriptions and details. These analyses help us create accurate reconstructions. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding its function. The Antikythera mechanism is a testament to ancient ingenuity.